In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch from New Outlook to Classic Outlook. This is useful if you prefer the familiar interface of the Classic version or if you need features that aren't yet available in the new Outlook. The process is simple and takes just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the new Outlook app on your computer. Once the app loads, look at the top menu bar and click on Help. This will open a drop-down menu with various support and settings options. In the Help drop-down menu, locate and select the option that says Go to Classic Outlook. This is the direct switch that will take you back to the traditional Outlook interface. After clicking this option, you may be prompted to confirm the switch. If a confirmation dialog appears, click Yes or Confirm to proceed. Outlook may also ask you to provide feedback about why you're switching back. This feedback is optional, but it helps Microsoft improve the new Outlook experience. You can either provide your feedback or skip this step. Once confirmed, Outlook will close the new version and automatically open Classic Outlook. Your emails, folders, and settings will remain intact, so you won't lose any data during the switch. And that's it. You've successfully switched from New Outlook to Classic Outlook. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.